Hey man, this for grown-ups and people with sense of humor. I ain't got time for y'all. Stop playing with me.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Subscribe, motherfucker.
If I knew what I knew in the past, I would have been like that on your ass.
So yeah, we back at it. I love Port Antonio. Something about it. It's like the hustler's paradise. They got everything, Joe. I know I say Joe a lot. I'm trying to work myself out of that. It's a nice little beauty supply here too. So yeah, definitely, ladies, if you come to Jamaica, Port Antonio, you are definitely going to be able to find all your hair care products. I mean, it smells the same as every beauty supply smells everywhere on earth. So you know it's good. But you know what? I don't see a Korean, so that's even better. How you doing? I'm sorry. What's your name?
Shanice.
You're Shanice? Hi, Shanice. You are very pretty. You are lovely. This is a beautiful store. What's the name of it?
The shop.
The shop. This the shop. Guys, come to the shop if you got to get your hair care products. I personally do not require them, but I knew people were going to be asking, where I get my hair stuff at? Where I get my makeup at? Well, you get it right here, baby. You come to the shop right here in Port Antonio. I like this place. It's dope. It makes me feel at home, except for the fact that nobody's watching me to see if I'm stealing. That's the only thing that's different. You have a good one. It's very nice meeting you. Yeah. Make sure you get around wherever you go. Just get around, walk around, get lost. That's loud as shit. How you doing? Yeah. I don't know why they got this big ass obelisk. I'm gonna ask somebody, but this music is loud as shit. I see it's fenced off, so I'm not gonna walk up to it to take a selfie. That would be dumb. But yeah. Gotta make sure we get through here. Oh, excuse me, brother. Oh yeah. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. How you guys doing? So yeah, we out here though. We out here in Port Antonio. I don't even know. Excuse me. Hey, what's the name of this street? Is there a name to this street? Sorry? West Street? Okay, guys, we on West Street in Port Antonio. We got everything here. Taste the energy, baby. This place is decent. This place is beautiful. How you doing, brother? Another jewelry spot. A lot of jewelry places here in Jamaica. People like their jewelry here. I personally don't wear jewelry, so you know, to each his own. How you doing? I'm telling you, I rarely see an ugly woman. All I see is beautiful brown women. They got everything in here too, guys. You gotta come in and shop. You gotta walk around, man. Don't be afraid. No one has told me no, I can't record. I ask most of the time. Sometimes I just start doing it because, you know, they don't care half the time. Whoa, this place is awesome too. I like it. How you doing? Yeah, so guys, we are here in Port Antonio. I'm in what appears to be a furniture, fabric, everything must go type situation. It's a nice store. I like it. Got your glassware here, you know. We in here. Like I said, I was gonna show you guys the whole area. How you doing, man? Yeah, this place is nice though. I like how everything is big and open, like you can breathe in there. Our store is all small and confined. I hate that. Yeah. You have a good one, man. Yeah. Yeah, I'm loving the scenery. I really don't have much to talk about. You know, usually at home I make a lot of videos complaining about something or another, talking about something, but I don't have one complaint about being here. How you doing? I really just love the experience. So it's Port Antonio. This is where we were at. Okay. There's a brother over here. I gotta come back and see him when he's up. But yeah, he's gonna be cooking a meal for us. I'm trying to tell you though, this place is dope. I don't care what no one says. Travel everywhere. How you guys doing? Sorry about that. Damn. How you doing? I tell you what, there's no shortage of hair weave here either. So wherever black women are, I guess there's some weaves are being sold. Shout out to weaves. Weaves doing it big out here. Them in KFCs. I don't know how the hell anybody in here is going to KFC for chicken. Because Nah, they shutting KFCs down. Why would anybody go to KFC's for chicken? They took chicken out the motherfucking name. They just kfis. That's all they is now is kfis. So yeah, fuck them. Hey, while I'm here, I think I'm eating all mom and pop situations. I have no reason, I have no desire. How you doing? I have no desire to eat anything that's not local. It just doesn't sound, it doesn't make sense. It just doesn't seem kosher. I don't know where I'm going, but sometimes you gotta get lost, G. You can rent bikes right here. There's a bike shop, Pro Bicycle Shop. You can come down here and rent bikes. How you guys doing? Man, yo, I'm just loving it here. I'm just enjoying the journey. Loving all parts of it. You know, you gotta embrace every part of your path, you know? But yeah, see? Nothing happened. I'm walking up random streets all through this city. Nobody says anything. This place is very comfortable. How you doing, man? But yeah, this place is very nice. Everybody's greeting. I should show you, but you can ask anybody to borrow something, they'll give it to you. That's just how it is here. It's weird. It's pretty awesome. And people support each other's businesses and stuff here. Like if your friend does reggae here, you have his music and you bump that shit. You don't care if nobody else like it. That's your friend and that's his music. Fuck out of here. And I love that type of shit. We need to take a little bit of this. We need to take a little bit of this back with us. You know what I'm saying? Or where we go to next, we're gonna figure it out. How you doing? I love your hair, by the way. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all saw her, but she was decent. Oh yeah, this is the first time I've noticed. Is this a drugstore? It's like a Walgreens situation. This is like my first time experiencing air conditioning here. You know what? I'm cold as fuck. I want to get up out of here soon. Not gonna lie to you. I got accustomed to the weather. But this way you come to get all your stuff though. They got everything. Look here, a black woman ain't got to worry about no hair care products here. I don't know what I was thinking. I know Jasmine at home thinking about it. What am I gonna do about my hair? Girl, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Nothing. Yeah. What they got? This one need to come get my flip-flops when I need some new ones. How you guys doing? Thank you, brother. Well, they got department store. Man, yo, this spot is decent. Like it's like every open door is somewhere to buy something. That's it. Come buy and get on. But not just get on. They more friendly than that. I'm not gonna lie. They chilling with you. They vibing. Another jewelry store. Another jewelry store. I guess you gotta feel good. I guess that's what it is. You know, a lot of times we go places, people tend to wear their self-esteem. It's common. You see it everywhere. Especially in America and especially in the black community. That's a cracking ass grocery store. I don't care what nobody say. I wish Jules was busting like that. Yeah, we still out here. I don't know what street we on no more. We was on West. Now we just on street. But we gonna figure it out. We all through here though. Gotta keep reminding myself that cars drive on different sides of the street here. I've almost died like 6 times since I've been here. But hey, it's worth it. We out here. Oh, that's nice. I don't know what that is over there. Maybe I'll see if I can get over there. I think I will. Cool. It's just like a gambling shop or something. I don't know. Religious and pharmaceutical supplies. Here we go. Here we go. Frankincense, myrrh. This is what I've been looking for. Where's... yeah. I want to go there, but there's stairs involved, and I'm cool. I got a lot of walking planned today. I'm not doing no extra stairs. I'll go back later. Yeah, I'm telling you, beauty and hair, I'm telling you guys, look, when you come to Port Antonio, you don't got to worry about looking good at all. Everybody is crisp, clean, nice clothes, jewelry. Look, this the place to come to just have fun with being black and just enjoy it. Like, this might be the only place you might have black privilege. I'm trying to tell you. How you doing?
All right.
Like, they don't even have black privilege in Africa. I'm trying to tell you, baby. Come to Jamaica. This place is beautiful. How you guys doing? How you doing, ladies? Whew. You can already tell they fabricating over here. Look, making benches and whatnot. I'm telling you, and everybody knows how to do so much. It's like there's no limit on skills here. Whew. Let me get up out this street before I die today. How you doing? Let me see here. We got rooms available over here at Shadow's Restaurant. Huh. Should I grab something? Let's check it out. You know what? Nah. Maybe next time. Because I'm trying to conserve a little dollars because I know where I want to eat today. Because I've tasted my favorite fried chicken on earth. On earth. I don't know how I keep putting the F. I don't know. When did the TH turn into an F for black people? Like, when did that happen? Because I'm with it. Don't get me wrong. I like the adjustment. I like it. I like saying earth. But still. But this is weird. I don't do it for every word. That's the weird part. I might say earth, but I still say strength. You know what I'm saying? You get it. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. It's weird. I'm also weird when I write. Some letters are capital for no reason in the middle of the word, and some are not. It's just me, baby. I change it up. I'm a Gemini. We all writing at the same time, baby. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. I don't see nothing else that I might want to buy down here this way, but I'm still circle the area so you can get a good, grasp on how things is moving, how things are shaking and moving out here, baby. I want you to get a good concept of this. I've been doing a lot of walking lately just to conserve money. How you doing? I love your hair. But yeah, and I learned this a long time ago. Compliment every black woman's hair. It don't even matter if they got hair. Just do it. And you are cool everywhere. If you feel like it's gonna be a harsh situation, go, ooh, I love your hair. Don't try to touch it. White people, if you watching this, listen to me, if you watching this, try to, I love your hair. How you doing, sister? But don't go touching black people hair. Black people hate it. Black women hate it when you just, ooh, I love your hair and touch it. You gotta ask first. Ask, may I touch your hair? And then touch their hair. That's how it works. I mean, gee, listen to me. White people ask if they can pet your dog before they rub it, but touch your hair without saying shit. Think about that. But yeah, so I'm about to head back to my cab now. I'm hungry, and I know Rod said he was making something Italian vegan for lunch. I don't eat breakfast on the yard. I try to keep it down to just juice and tea for breakfast. Really, I don't eat lunch either. You are gorgeous. Just want to let you know that. Like I said, man, it's a barber shop, a hair place everywhere in Port Antonio. There's no way you are not gonna look attractive here. I'm trying to tell you, if you live here and you don't take care of your hair and stuff, that's not you not taking care of it. That's a fashion decision. That's a choice, baby. Cause they out here. How you doing? Look, she got nice hair too. Everybody out here got some beautiful hair, especially the natural hair. Look, natural hair is beautiful, baby. Come here and feel what it's like to be beautiful and yourself at the same time for a little while, people. Whew. For half a second, I was gonna say black is beautiful, right? Then I thought to myself, people get offended when you say black is beautiful. But you know what? You shouldn't. Black is motherfucking beautiful. But every other color is also beautiful. Yellow is beautiful. White people, y'all beautiful as hell. Come on, man. We all beautiful. It's just that we say it because of certain actions in our history. It seems like a lot of us, even on a genetic level, do not feel like we are beautiful. So, black is beautiful. No shame in it. Sorry, I'm not sorry for saying it. Yeah, guys, it may look like I'm videoing this for y'all, even though y'all gonna see it. This is not. This is just so I can get a screenshot picture for my Instagram. I didn't want to have to cut off this video because I'm not gonna edit this one either. Just gonna walk through here. I want a beef patty, but I don't want to spend no money. I really don't want to spend any money right now because, you know, I just don't like to spend money. I done became pretty cheap in the last couple of years. As I get older, I realize I can do more if I have more money at hand. So why spend it on bullshit? You know, I even stopped buying name brand shoes and shit like a couple years ago. I used to wear Air Force Ones and all that other shit. But then one day I realized, man, I keep buying this shit and the people that own these companies get to go live out their motherfucking dreams. I'm paying for their dreams and I'm not living my own. That's crazy. Fuck their dreams. I'm gonna live my own fucking dreams. You feel me? Fuck all that. Fuck that. You know, we celebrate names of rich people and buy their products to keep them being rich and to make them more rich, and then turn around and cry and be upset about the financial elite. It's dumb. You know, I know 3 people that make t-shirts here that I've met already. Same quality of anything that's Ralph Lauren or something like that. Same exact fabric. But what's the difference? What is the name of that or Kendrick? Kendrick t-shirts is just as fine as Polo. But you don't want to wear Kendrick shit. You know why? Because you are socially trained and manipulated. Save your money and experience the world. One of my favorite YouTubers, his channel was called Do More Life. And first of all, I love that slogan. Stop spending on bullshit and do more motherfucking life. Hey guys, we right here in Carlton's barbershop. I'm about to get my first haircut here in Jamaica, Port Antonio. Like, share, subscribe, comment, share this. I'm serious. Look, you see the before, now check the after. So tell me what y'all think. I think he did his damn thing. Appreciate you, bro. Respect. Y'all down here in Port Antonio, stop at Carlton's to get your hair cut. My man does excellent work.
Subscribe, motherfucker.